some power supply boards. This is one of them. Basically, pinch this loose. It's the same exact board, so easy replacement. If you're not familiar with it, you can simply do like this and go wire for wire. Common sense, bing bang boom. So that's what we're going to try and do here. Alright, so we got that one in. My phone dropped. I think I lost it in the middle of the view there, but we got all the wires hooked up. We're just going to double check, make sure no loose wires. Everything's pinched in. Next board has capacitors, so we're going to use caution to not get shocked with the charge. You can see got it all hooked back up to OG specs. Them wires aren't the issue, it's some screws that can be a pain. If you look in between, you can see that's what mounts the board to the cooler, and obviously that's the part that gets hot. We did do some wiggling, so we're going to look in here and make sure all the wires are tight, and basically we're ready to put the stuff out of the unit, put it back together, reapply power, and then we should get power back downstairs now. Check your power. I got no power here. You trace them wires back, they come back to the back side of the board, and you'll notice I took the covers off of the fuses. You notice the one's missing there. It's in my hand looking like that. Yeah. It's pretty easy to look at a wiring diagram. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. You don't have to be an engineer. You can trace. You can trace your wires. Come back. Come over. See, they go up. Now you can see F1, F2, F3, and 4. And you can come down here in your little table and it'll tell you fuse T6.3. So I just put them two boards in because the guy didn't recognize that it had a blown fuse. Alright, so I found a fuse and I replaced the power modules on these. So I got the disconnect on. It's sunny, it says 211 volts. That's on L1 and L2. So I go to S1 and S2, and I got 211.6 volts. So downstairs, there should be power. Woo-wee. This one about wore me out today, fellas. Up, down, up, down. So I replaced both these boards. Had to go get a fuse. You see what I done here? Kabing, kabang, boom. Went back downstairs, tested continuity, no luck. Tested ohms. Out of 1 and 2, I got like 58 ohms. Out of 2 and 3, non-open limit. 1 and 3, open limit. So we got to cut wire from here to 3 floors down. I didn't really show you guys none of that. They're putting some AstroTurf, but we're 3 doors down, baby. Not no good. And then, there's still a possibility. I'm looking at this mini split. I'm like, there's one over there. There's 2 over there. This is the only one with the 18 in the model number, so I know I'm at the right unit. You can see 18 right there. A18 downstairs. We got an 18, so button it up, go down, talk to the maintenance guy, see if we're gonna track the wire, he's gonna track the wire, we're gonna what they want to do. So, not no fun. Ain't getting fixed today.